I can have you sitting on the board of a company within the next 60 days, regardless of what your current role is, what your gender is, your background, what geography you're currently in. I know this with confidence because I've done it for hundreds of people with the same 5-step methodology laid out in this book, The Boardroom Blueprint. On Tuesday, May 13th, I'm running a 3-hour workshop in order to cover exactly what you need to know in order to get your first board seat. Normally tickets are $100, but if you sign up right now, sign up on the link below, you can get a ticket absolutely free. Now the problem with workshops like this is normally it's somebody like me standing up there saying exactly what I did to get the results that I now have and telling you that if you replicate what I've done, you'll get the same results. That's a little bit like a lottery winner telling you all you need to do is just pick these same lottery numbers and you'll be successful too. So instead of doing that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to lay out the 5 components that you need to know in order to get the results, but I'm going to bring in 5 different people from very different backgrounds who all started with nothing and have all achieved incredible boardroom success using this model. So actually you're going to be learning from people just like you that started with nothing and have got to this result. The end result is that I want you to get a board seat, and I don't want you to have the excuse of saying, well, that's all right for him, he's got X, Y, and Z. I want you to have real practical explanations and examples of people that have used this methodology to get results. And we've seen it happen so many times now. I'm convinced that if you've got the desire, then you'll have no problem getting your first board seat. The session is super interactive. This is something that we've run multiple times before. It's a ton of fun. It's really exciting. And more importantly, you're going to learn everything that you need in order to get your first board seat. So May the 13th, sign up below right now to get your free ticket. Tell your friends, tell your colleagues, and I look forward to seeing you there.